Ever dreamt of soaring through the air like an eagle, experiencing the thrill of high-speed flight firsthand? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the ultimate drone showdown, the DJI Avata versus the DJI FPV. These aren't your average drones, they're adrenaline-pumping machines designed to push the boundaries of aerial flight. The Avata, with its immersive FPV goggles and intuitive controls, offers a smooth and cinematic flight experience. On the other hand, the FPV, a true racing drone, delivers raw power and blistering speeds for the ultimate adrenaline rush. We'll break down their key features, compare their performance, and help you decide which drone is the perfect wingman for your aerial adventures. So, grab your goggles, and let's take flight. Design and build. DJI Avata. The Avata has a compact, durable build with built-in propeller guards, which makes it ideal for close-range and indoor flying. Its rugged design allows for safer operation, reducing the likelihood of damage in case of minor collisions. This is particularly useful for beginners or users interested in flying in more constrained environments. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV, on the other hand, is a larger, sleeker drone that has an aerodynamic build but lacks built-in propeller guards. It's designed more for open spaces and fast, high-speed flights, where agility and speed are prioritized over compactness. This makes it better suited for outdoor environments with fewer obstacles. Verdict: for close quarters, indoor, or mixed environment flying, the DJI Avata is more forgiving and durable. The DJI FPV is better suited for high-speed, open-air flights where maneuverability and speed are key. Flight performance and speed. DJI Avata, with a top speed of around 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, in manual mode, the Avata is fast enough for thrilling experiences but prioritizes stability and ease of control over extreme speed. The Avata's slower top speed compared to the DJI FPV may appeal to beginners or users seeking a more controlled, cinematic flying experience. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV can reach speeds up to 87 miles per hour, 140 kilometers per hour, in manual mode, making it one of the fastest consumer drones available. This speed, combined with its powerful motors, enables highly dynamic and aggressive maneuvers, allowing for a much more intense flying experience suited for experienced FPV pilots. Camera quality and stabilization. DJI Avata. The Avata is equipped with a 48MP, 1/1.7-inch sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second. Its advanced rocksteady and horizon-steady stabilization systems offer smooth footage even during rapid movements, which makes it especially appealing for capturing cinematic FPV shots. The Avata's sensor performs well in low light, providing crisp, high-quality visuals. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV has a smaller 12MP, 1/2.3-inch sensor that can also capture 4K video but is limited to 60 frames per second. It lacks horizon steady, relying instead on rocksteady stabilization, which is effective but less capable than the Avata's stabilization setup. While the footage from the DJI FPV is still impressive, it falls short of the Avata in both low-light performance and image stabilization. Verdict: for users who prioritize image quality and stabilization, the Avata is the better choice. Battery life. DJI Avata. The Avata offers a maximum flight time of around 18 minutes, which is respectable for an FPV drone, though real-world use often brings it closer to 15 minutes, especially during high-speed flying. The Avata's improved efficiency allows for longer flights compared to the DJI FPV, making it a better option for capturing extended shots. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV has a maximum flight time of approximately 20 minutes, but this also varies based on the flight mode and speed. Due to the high energy demands of its powerful motors, typical flight times often hover around 12 to 15 minutes during aggressive flying. Price. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata is generally priced slightly lower than the DJI FPV, though costs vary depending on the package, including goggles too and motion controller. DJI FPV. the DJI FPV tends to be more expensive, largely due to its more powerful motors and traditional controller, which appeals to seasoned FPV enthusiasts. Conclusion. In summary, the DJI Avata is perfect for beginners and content creators who want a stable, user-friendly FPV experience with high-quality visuals, especially in tight spaces or indoors. Meanwhile, the DJI FPV caters to seasoned pilots seeking high-speed thrills and traditional FPV controls for dynamic, open-air flights. Both drones deliver unique strengths, making the Avata ideal for cinematic flying and the DJI FPV suited for adrenaline-filled adventures. So there you have it, the DJI Avata and the DJI FPV, two incredible drones, each with its own unique strengths. The Avata excels in cinematic flight and immersive experiences, while the FPV reigns supreme in speed and agility. Ultimately, the best drone for you depends on your individual needs and flying style, whether you're seeking a smooth and cinematic journey or an adrenaline-fueled race. Both drones offer an unparalleled flying experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting drone content. See you in the skies.